In this video, I'm going to show you how to join clips in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to select all the clips you want to join, and then there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you the most common ones. Now you want to select this tool up top, which of course is the selector tool, and then you want to click and drag over all your clips you want to join, okay? Just like this. Now whenever you've done this, the first way you could do this is to consolidate them. So go to Edit, top left over here, and click on Consolidate Clip, or just press Alt plus Shift plus 3 on your keyboard by default, and when you do this, as you can see, there we go, it's going to kind of join these clips. That's the first way to do this. The second one is going to be to go and actually group them. So you can just right click, and then from here go to the bottom, click on this group button, and there we go, they are now grouped, okay? And of course you could also join them by going and like exporting them all together, and that's also going to be one way, but of course that's likely not what you're searching for. So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.